Have you ever felt the frustration of limited spending power or the inconvenience of carrying multiple cards? Imagine having a card that not only meets your everyday needs, but also offers a host of exclusive benefits. Today, we're going to delve into the world of the Commbank Platinum Debit Card and explore how you can apply for this powerful financial tool. Ever wondered what it feels like to have a card that's as platinum as your aspirations? Join me as we uncover the secrets of the Commbank Platinum Debit Card and learn how to make it yours. Before we dive into the application process, let's understand why the Commbank Platinum Debit Card is such a coveted possession. This premium card offers a range of benefits that can enhance your lifestyle and financial well-being. From exclusive discounts and cashback offers to travel perks and insurance coverage, the Commbank Platinum Debit Card has something to offer everyone. Key benefits. Let's explore some of the standout features of this exceptional card. Exclusive discounts and cashback. Enjoy savings on your everyday purchases at a variety of retailers and earn cashback rewards on eligible transactions. Travel perks. Benefit from complimentary airport lounge access, travel insurance, and preferential rates on hotel accommodations and car rentals. Insurance coverage. Protect yourself with comprehensive insurance coverage, including purchase protection, extended warranty, and travel insurance. Priority customer service. Experience personalized support and assistance from Commbank's dedicated customer service team. Eligibility criteria. Now that you know what the Commbank Platinum Debit Card can do for you, let's discuss the eligibility requirements. To apply for this card, you generally need to meet the following criteria. Australian residency. Be a permanent resident or citizen of Australia. Age. Be at least 18 years old. Income. Have a satisfactory income level to demonstrate your ability to manage the card's responsibilities. Credit history. Maintain a positive credit history, indicating responsible financial behavior. Application process. The application process for the Commbank Platinum Debit Card is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Online application. Visit the Commbank website and navigate to the credit card section. Select the card. Choose the Commbank Platinum Debit Card from the available options. Provide information. Fill in the required personal and financial information, including your name, address, income, and employment details. Submit application. Review your application carefully and submit it electronically. Additional tips. To increase your chances of approval, consider the following tips. Check your credit report. Ensure that your credit report is accurate and free of errors. Gather required documents. Have necessary documents ready, such as proof of identity, income, and address. Be honest and transparent. Provide accurate information throughout the application process. The Commbank Platinum Debit Card offers a host of benefits that can enhance your lifestyle and financial well-being. By understanding the eligibility criteria and following the application process, you can bring this exceptional card into your possession. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.